Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with a quick FAQ. Today we're going to talk about what information EverLogic can push to your website. One important reason to get a DMS is to prevent you from having to do a ton of information in multiple places. Of course, that's why we integrate with QuickBooks in the first place. But what about the information on your website? Every time you get a new vehicle into your dealership, you shouldn't have to re-enter all the stuff you put on EverLogic onto your website platform just to advertise that vehicle. With EverLogic, you don't need to. Check this out. When you get into your new inventory screen, whatever information you fill out can be pushed straight to the website. That includes make, model, year, color, MSRP, even a clearance price. All you got to do is check the box here that says Show Online. Once you hit Save, it'll go straight to your website. By the way, another neat website integration is for those of you who have a Contact Us form. If someone fills out that form, you can click where it says Connect Now, and it will appear on EverLogic as a lead. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.